This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Google Docs in 30 minutes. I'm going to show you 4 ways to make large Google Sheets like this one easier to browse. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. So the first thing I do whenever I open up a big spreadsheet like this, and I can see that there's many rows, maybe hundreds or even thousands, is I freeze the top row if it has a header. And this is how you do it. Select the first row, and you can see it says title, vendor, ISBN, all this other stuff. Then go to View, freeze one row. So what this means is when I start scrolling down, the header will stay there. So I can actually see, which column corresponds to which header. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2, clip column so text is not overflowing. And this is what I mean. You can see that for some of these fields here, these large text fields here with the title, it basically stops once it gets to the next column because there's text in the next column. But in some columns where there's no text, it'll basically start overflowing. And you can see it gets kind of confusing to see what's going on there. So what I always do with these long text fields that sometimes appear in spreadsheets is I'll select the whole column and I'll basically clip it so the text won't run into the next column. It'll still be there, but it will just be hidden, and it will make it easier to see what's going on. And the way to do that, you go to Format, Wrapping, and then you have 3 choices there. Select Clip. So you can see that the overflow text just disappeared from there, which is what I want. But if you click on the cell with the long text, you can see the whole thing is right there. Third tip that I have is right size the columns. And you can see that all of these columns are of different sizes. And actually it goes way over here. And some of them are, just totally the wrong size. Like this column is way too wide. What you can do to right size them is, first of all, if you want to, you can kind of do it one by one. But that doesn't scale if you have lots of columns to deal with. What I usually do instead is I select the columns that I want to, all the columns that I want to put on the right size. Let's say I want to make them all the same size. I'll select them all like this. Actually, it looks like that's all I need. I'll scroll over here. And then if I take the first column and you see I hovered between B and C right there and a special arrow pops up. That basically lets me resize column B, but also because I've selected all the other columns, they will match column B when I let go. So let's say I move vendor, the line over here, you can see all of a sudden that every single column in Google Sheets is now the same size with the exception of column A because I didn't select that. So this is a way to make things look a little bit neat and more tidy. That's tip number 3. Finally, the last tip that I have when you're dealing with a big spreadsheet like this, if the text looks too tiny, don't reformat the text. Just use the zoom feature just to make it easier to read. So the way you do it, there's a field up here in the toolbar. It says zoom. Click on that, and then you can select like 150%. So that'll make it bigger. You may need to scroll a little bit to see stuff. The other thing you can do is you can go to View, and then Zoom, and then select something else. So let's say I wanted to make it, 90%, really small. I could do that. But basically use zoom instead of actually reformatting the text as being bigger or smaller, because that way the text stays the same. It'll just be easier for you to read. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it or subscribe. I have links to more resources in the description. Thank you so much for watching.